Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Shalom, Om Santi Santiastu, Namo Buddhaya, Salam Kebajikan. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. First of all, my name is Ramadan, and then on this time I would like to talk about one hot issue of law from other country. As our final test of competent speaker class, absolutely to completely our learning process on these semesters. Then I will pick up one issue from New Zealand. So here we go. New Zealand euthanasia, assisted dying to be legal for terminally ill people. New Zealand has fought to legalize euthanasia in what campaigners have called a victory for compassion and kindness. The primary results show 65% of voters has voted to be legalized euthanasia. To be legalized, the end of life choice are coming into force as a new law. The law will be allow terminally ill people with less than 6 months opportunity to life, has a terminal illness and a lot of pain, and it must has approved by 2 doctors. So its opponent to say the law lacks its adequate safeguards. The referendum results announced on this month, January 2021, but is not including estimate 480 of special vote, including special ballots or overseas ballots. So the final outcome is not coming. It's not coming yet until the end of this month. Maybe next month, February 2021. But with such a strong support, the decision is not expected to be changed, and the regulation for euthanasia is coming, probably will become as a new law in New Zealand, and it will be affect totally on November 2021. The referendum is binding, and then it will see New Zealand join with a small group of countries, including Canada, Netherlands, Swiss, and other more, which is allow euthanasia. And then maybe you wonder, what is euthanasia? Nah, on this time also I'm going to talk about a simple definition about euthanasia, because euthanasia was a really completely complex thing. So euthanasia refers to deliberately ending someone's life, usually to relieve suffering, a lot of pain, someone who has terminal illness, less than 6 months opportunity to life, kind of that thing. Doctors sometimes perform euthanasia by request from people, like I said before, who has a terminal illness, a lot of pain, less than 6 months opportunity to life, and then it's a really a complex process and involves a wide many factors, including local law, someone physical and mental health, people belief, and all the play roles. And maybe you will think like this, is not euthanasia same with suicide? Actually, that's no. Euthanasia and suicide, it's completely 2 different things. Even that euthanasia and suicide is the way someone ending his life, but somehow it's 2 different things. And if you're more eager to know about what is Indonesia, you absolutely can searching on internet. There's many web tools write about Indonesia, and there's also many book who just write especially to tools about Indonesia. So Indonesia is really a complex thing. And then at the end of my sections, I would like to say thank you for your kind attentions and good luck. And then stay safe, and last, see you on the next semesters. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye bye. Jadi yang saya bahas tadi itu adalah Indonesia, berhubungan dengan Indonesia. Apa itu Indonesia? Indonesia itu adalah tindakan ilegal, maksud saya tindakan legal seseorang untuk mengakhiri hidupnya, tapi ada beberapa persyaratan mengenai hal itu untuk melakukan suatu Indonesia. Yang pastinya itu request by seseorang yang punya penyakit keras yang sisa hidupnya tidak lebih dari 6 bulan, ataupun dia sudah mengalami banyak komplikasi penyakit, dan itu dilakukan oleh dokter, tidak sembarang orang, dan tidak sembarang pula dokter yang dapat melakukan euthanasia itu, sepengetahuan saya. Dan Indonesia ini menarik karena ya tidak semua negara menerapkannya. Yang beberapa yang sudah menerapkannya sejak dulu itu adalah Kanada, Belanda, dan Swiss, serta lain-lain. Karena mereka beranggapan kalau seseorang punya hak untuk hidup, seseorang juga punya hak untuk mati, untuk mengakhiri hidupnya. Dan ini kembali menjadi hot issue juga kemarin, karena New Zealand juga kemarin lagi membuat peraturan perundang-undangan atau regulasi tentang melegalkan praktik euthanasia ini di negaranya itu, dengan melibatkan beberapa volunteers yang memberikan vote apakah dia mendukung atau tidak pelaksanaan pelegalan euthanasia itu sendiri di New Zealand. Jadi saya membahas tadi tentang New Zealand tentang Indonesia di New Zealand, Pak. Jadi seperti itu materi saya untuk tugas final, bukan tugas sih, untuk final test competent speaker di kelasnya Bapak ini, di kelasnya Sir. Lebih dan kurangnya saya mohon maaf, tapi I'm not cheating to do these things, and then you can trust me because I was practice to do this during 2 weeks lately. And thank you, sir. Saya juga mau mengucapkan terima kasih atas ilmu yang telah diberikan oleh Bapak selama saya menjadi mahasiswa Bapak. Semoga Bapak selalu sehat dan diberikan umur yang panjang serta keberkahan dalam hidup. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.